Alright, I'm gonna be trolling some servers. I'm gonna play this really offensive video, like this audio. It's like Allah Akbar, like the thing that terrorists say before they blow stuff up. It's really offensive, but if you don't know what it sounds like, this is what it sounds like. It's basically that, just screaming over and over, and I'm gonna find some VCs in Discord, and I'm gonna play that in one that has like a low amount of people. Why is this person on Google Classroom? What? Alright, let's see what's going on in the Rocket League Discord.
So you are for
what the fuck? Nah, man, don't play that. Don't play that, bro.
That wasn't me. That was him.
Was that you or was it the other guy that's in here?
Other guy.
It was the other guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Don't do that, man.
It's a no.
Why?
Party. Dog. Hell, bro. What the fuck?
Oh crap. Someone mentioned me. Command sandbox. What is this? Oh, I see. Well, I didn't get kicked from this. Okay, let's try joining a server with a bunch of people. Only one person is muted. Alright. Bet.
There is nowhere can be found where it says you can be a. Sorry, on Discord you have to be.
Discord, so like you have to follow them.
Yeah, so it doesn't.
I think the only reason it would be taken down is if like there's someone under the age of 12 and they knew that. But that'd be kind of hard to even convict someone of in the first place. So.
I kind of find that real bullshit because there's like kids.
How are you getting that
There's like kids who sound like 14. I swear, I hate it when there's like one guy talking in the group chat and like making 40 other people wait for him to stop talking, and that's what I'm exactly doing. I hate that.
I don't care. I feel like this entire private match is people just pre-jumping.
What's the name password?
1221 and the password is 123.
Oh my gosh, shut up! Who's doing that? Allahu Akbar!
Wait. What?
2112 and password 1234.
That's my very appropriate thing to say for the Allahu Akbar. Yeah, there you go.
It's still games. Where'd you go?
So there's no way to literally hear anyone.
Okay, here's my response to that.
Good response.
Well, that guy got kicked.
It's unfortunate.
Oh, no, I'm in the match.
No, there's still kids screaming.
What is this? What is this server? Alright, these people didn't hear it, so I'm gonna try again with these people.
Samurai. The Sunray. And the Yuzo. Yeah, take those out.
And the what?
Yuzo.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Oh, I see what you're doing.
Akbar! Oh! There's one person. This better not be a bot.
And medical syringe. You got a recon with me?
Okay. Alright, come on. There's gotta be some people in here. Alright, that's the server owner. I'm not about to be there. I'm not about to get banned today. There's no 4 out of 3. How does that make sense? Anybody else? Anybody else want to feel the wrath of Allah Akbar? Seriously, why is this person in Google Classroom, bro? Alright, let's see what's going on in here. Singing. I'm kind of scared to... Alright.
I say one meme and the chat goes up by 4.
Wow.
Seriously, dude, you were fucking amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ouch.
Okay.
Morty, why?
Just why?
Morty, why? Alright, I'm gonna do one more. Alright, I actually trolled this person and this person earlier by doing it. I'm gonna do it again.
Don't play that Allahu Akbar shit again, man.
What?
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 You're lagging, bro.
Yeah. Alright, let's set the partridge.
He already knew. Alright, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. Dakota's calling me. Alright, I gotta go. See ya!